Let's show you what it looked like yesterday. This is the best battle of the year in WMX. Kylie Stallings of the Kawasaki gets the whole shot, as usual. You got Charlie Cannon in the 7, tries to make the move. Lala Turner around the outside.
Yeah, she was going for a 2-for-1 special. Got into that lead early in this moto, but Charlie Cannon was going to have something to say about this as she was able to get around in second place, and then the battle was on.
Oh, this is spectacular. So a lap rider, that's going to slow up Turner a little bit, and Cannon goes for the lead.
Yeah, she gets around, but Lala decides to switch it up, go around the outside, which is going to put her on the inside on this next one. Nice pass there. And these girls are going right wide open over here.
Yeah, this is last lap, and it looked like maybe Turner had the angle, but look at this turn for the 7.
Yeah, she greets this corner, and that was the last pass here. Lala tries to get her back, but Charlie was going to be able to hold on for this moto, and what a great ride by both these ladies.
Moto 2, everyone wanted to see a rematch, and it looks similar. Stallings had the lead. Turner gets around here. Cannon is in 3rd, but it was going to be tougher on the 7 this time.
Yeah, Lala put down some hot laps.
Lala Turner doesn't win Moto 1, but is going to get the overall with the 2-1 Moto scores and putting herself in position to win back-to-back titles.
How does it feel to get another win under your belt?
Oh, it feels amazing. The first moto got me fired up because I haven't really lost at any moto this season. Yeah, but it got me fired up, and I fixed my mistakes and thought it through, and we got it done.
What are you looking forward to next weekend to wrap it up at Bud?
Oh yeah, just have fun. I'm doing what I love and just have fun out there, and yeah, ride good.
What does it mean to you to see all the people out here, you know, supporting you guys, asking for autographs afterwards?
It honestly makes me so happy. Like, I see all these fans on the track, and I'm like, it makes me want to go faster, really.
Yeah, we feel good. 1-1 last weekend. It'd be nice to keep that going. I've never won an overall here, so it gives me something to work towards. Good goal. I was close last year, but Levi ended up getting it, so it'd be nice to win the championship and, I don't know, get a win here. So the goal is to get a win here first, and then championship comes with it. We'll take it.
Some good weather this weekend. Track's awesome. A little bit not as deep as usual, so higher speeds for sure. We just did practice 1, qualified the 2nd in that. So yeah, good start to the day, and looking forward to hopefully getting some good starts and getting out front and hear that home crowd sing.
Yeah, we're out here at Unadilla. The track is fast. It's the fastest one that I've ever been to. So I'm looking forward to it. I like fast tracks. I'm curious to see how it develops for the race itself, but I think it's gonna be good. It's wide open, so gotta hang it loose today.
First outdoor back, how are we feeling out there today?
Not great. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna change the bike. Bike doesn't feel good. Sit up soft, so hope that's good. Get a good start and ride from there.
Yeah, first session, they gave me the wrong boots, so that kind of pissed me off. So I'm just gonna blame it on that. But second session was good. I was P2, so I think it was P5 overall. Yeah, track's coming to me a little better. I like when it gets a little rougher, so should be good. Hopefully nail some good starts. I like how the dirt is after the start. It's gonna be good for our bike, kind of get that thing lit up. But yeah, we're ready.
I thought I was gonna be a little nervous, to be honest, but I'm just excited at this point and just trying to enjoy it all. And yeah, it's gone really good so far.
Expectations, do you have any today? Or you're just kind of seeing how the cards fall?
now just kind of seeing how cards fall and just go out there and try to learn as much as possible and just enjoy it.
Yeah, it's a little bit better. Just wanted to improve, just a little bit from Ironman. Been off the bike for a while, so yeah, just don't have much expectations. I'd love to get a good start and see if I can hang up there with those guys just a little longer and maybe not drop too far off with the arms, but that's all we can do is go out and try our best, and that's what we're going to do.
Could have been better, honestly, but yeah, we're going to dig it out in these motos. Track's super fast today, and yeah, it's going to be tough, but it's going to come down to a good start. There's not many lines out there, and it's going to be very start dependent, and yeah, those first 2 laps are going to be key. So kind of what I'm focusing on, just seeing if I can get out front and just put in 2 solid laps and kind of stretch myself out from everybody. That would be ideal, and yeah, we'll try to execute on that.
So far it's pretty good. It's been really fast, a bit smoother I think than we were expecting. It's not rutted up quite as much as usual. Yeah, got a rock to the hand, so we switched to hand guards. But yeah, hanging, I feel good. If you put all my segments together, I'm going really fast, and if you don't, I'm still going pretty fast. So yeah, stoked, looking forward to the races, feel good. Yeah, got my head screwed on this weekend, so looking forward to it.
Not great. It's probably the worst qualifying of the year for me, but honestly, I've done that here before, where I've gotten my worst qualifying and my best result, so we're just going to go off of that. I usually have good results here, so just try and get whatever gate I can. Hopefully a little bit more inside. If not, I'll just have to try and sweep outside and then just basically go to work 2:30. So just put in the laps and try and stay strong and run up front as much as I can.
Feels always good to come back to Dilla. It's where I made my pro debut in 16, so it holds a special place in my heart. Day so far is going well. Q1 just wasn't really feeling like myself, and then I think I was like 17th. Q2 turned around, starting to figure out the lines, and I ended up P11, so I'm good with that. Just ready to get into the motos and figure it out a little bit more. And today's track, you gotta be delicate. You can't really hammer it, and that's what I was trying to do in Q1. So just gotta learn to be patient today and let the track come to me, and yeah, just have fun during these 30s and come up track with a smile.
Yeah, a bit of a slow start this morning, just learning new track and yeah, everything like that. But felt better. Obviously, my pace is off, but hopefully turn it around in the motos.
Yeah, it's been good. Track's been a little tricky. I feel like it's a little bit less ready than it was last year, so it's kind of throwing me off a little bit, and honestly, kind of struggling with the track a little bit with comfortability. So just got some things we need to work on. I'm always a better racer, so we're gonna get a good start and go out there and crush it.
It's a little different than years past, but a few suspension changes and getting me feel comfortable out there, and I think we can do pretty good. Ended up 9th overall in qualifying, so feeling pretty good. Just got to get off to a good start and be up there with those guys, and then I think we should put in 2 good results.
Runs her up. Gates down. And Deegan rockets out of the start. He's going to get pitched off, though, in the first turn. There's Deegan. Can't even see the number 1 to the outside. He's covered in mud already.
Yeah, with Haiden Deegan, the difference between last weekend and this one, I don't think you can ride this track like he was able to ride last weekend by just charging. You got to be really patient. So this lead that Joe has, almost 7 seconds, and it's done 2 laps. It'd be hard for Haiden to make that gap up because of how this track is, and we've got to ride him down.
Oh, that's most of it down. He had a crash last week. He's been dealing with ankle problems. And there's the 400 of Dudney we showed you right before the gate drop. Pro debut for this young man, who was a dominant star at Loretta Lynn's last year in the B class. So the title clinch could still happen. He just needs to return serve. If he could beat Shimoda 2-1 to 1-2 and just hold serve off points for the day, he would still wrap the title early, but it could come down to the finale. There's always been drama hanging in the air at Unadilla. Will there be another story this year as the Reds come up and the gate is down? Well, Tomac, they're both getting faster. So the previous lap, Hunter put in his best lap. Tomac has answered with his best. And now we got a battle for second.
Yeah, Eli. So for him, how last weekend went, not feeling well, looks like he's a lot healthier. Next couple laps are going to be important for Eli if he can continue this fight.
Here it is. Time to go racing one last time. The 250s from Unadilla. Check in with Deegan now, who's closing on Beaumer in a battle for 6th. This could affect the overall podium as it runs. It'd actually be Vial and Hamaker on the box. See if Deegan can move forward. As for Dundee, a great run in his pro debut. Deegan will still be the championship leader, but he will not be the 2025 champion yet. Second overall, Vial comes across second in the moto. Haiden Deegan will be second with the 2-3 in the overall scores, but the title will go on.
Yeah, it was, I mean, for how I started the day, I didn't feel comfortable all day on this track, just struggled with it. And to come out with a second overall, I'm happy with it. Just got to make little improvements throughout the day for the long run, so. I feel like we did that, you know, kind of overcame some struggles, and that's a positive, but yeah, got to come out swinging next week and hopefully get that title.
Here we go. Hunter, a great start. Got the whole shot. Justin Cooper, RJ Hampshire, and Jet right there.
Ooh, Justin Cooper was trying to get around that inside of.
Yeah, much better from Jay Coop here. Moto 1, he ended up 6th. But right now, Eli Tomac will just be ahead of him for 3rd overall today. The New Yorker would love to get to the podium.
Solid 3rd for us. For me, it was a good finish for here. Historically, I've always kind of struggled at this track, and today I found some good flow. It was fairly comfortable, and actually really comfortable, other than just was a little bit behind the brothers there. So yeah, we were 3rd. Like, I was just the 3rd best guy today, but like I said, Unadilla has been my Achilles heel here, so honestly, kind of happy with this 3rd, and we'll move on to next week and give it all we got at Buds.